how to add plugins to Ableton. So the first step is to simply open Live's preferences, then go to plugins, and then simply go to plugin sources. Now, if you're using Live 10.1 or earlier, open preferences, then file or folder, and then go to plugin sources. Now, what you're gonna have to do next is simply set use VST2 plugin custom folder to on and click browse to select the folder specified during installation, and then you can basically drag there the plugins. And as you can see, you're gonna have to set the use VST3 plugin in system folders to on to activate VST plugins. In most cases, you can leave use VST3 plugin custom folder turned off. So all you have to do is simply click on folder here on browse, and basically you're gonna have to simply drag and drop the plugins, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.